News coming in from Telangana, where a BJP candidate in the Maktal municipality has died, and the party has alleged Congress intimidation in this case and demanded an impartial probe. A BJP candidate contesting in the Maktal municipality elections from Ward 6, identified as Erukal Mahadevappa, died early this morning at around 4 a.m. The tribal youth and long-time local activist had been nominated by the BJP as its candidate for the upcoming municipal polls. Now, according to the family members and party supporters, Mahadevappa had reportedly faced sustained harassment and pressure in recent weeks from local political figures, particularly allegations involving ministerial harassment attributed to a Maktal MLA, Vakti Srihari. Family members and BJP workers now claim that these alleged political pressures and intimidation became insurmountable, and they allege this may be connected to his sudden death.
The opposition BJP is alleging that one of its worker, he is also a candidate, he committed suicide due to pressure from ruling party. So how police is investigating, how police will ensure that proper investigation happens and justice?
Yeah, we have a case was already registered, and we'll go by the merits of the case. We'll totally go by the investigation goes as per the evidence available. We'll do a fair job of it.
कल एक हादसा ऐसा हुआ, हमारा कार्यकर्ता एक ट्राइबल उम्मीदवार मक्तल म्युनिसिपैलिटी, जहां वो मुख्यमंत्री का जिला है, लगातार एक हफ्ते से उनको विड्रॉ करने के लिए दबाव डाला जा रहा है, मगर वो गरीब परिवार का एक ट्राइबल ये मक्तल म्युनिसिपैलिटी में वो चुनाव लड़ना चाहता था बीजेपी से। वहां के मंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री के दबाव से वो चुनाव विड्रॉ नहीं किया, मगर कल रात में वो खुदकुशी किया, क्योंकि अगर मैं जीतने के बाद भी ये मुझे किस तरह मुझे सताते मुझे पता है, इसलिए वो अपना पत्नी को बताया मैं जीतने वाला हूं। जीतने के बावजूद भी मुझे वो जीने नहीं देते। कांग्रेस सरकार यहाँ के मंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री का जिला है, इसलिए मैं खुदकुशी किया, ऐसा बताया गया। यही मुद्दा आज मैं सदन में उठाया।
He has been harassed by Congress party and the Congress leaders since last many days. In fact, he was also forced to join Congress, and then he somehow came out of the clutches and got the BJP ticket. He is a BJP worker since beginning, and he is contesting. And because of the harassment and because of the threatenings made by the local minister and his goons, he committed suicide in the morning. BJP condemns this attitude of the minister. BJP wants the minister to be suspended from the cabinet, and also police to take action against him and arrest him.